June. If there is a time to lie in the long grass, it's now. Cobs and fawns are afoot in the wood. Chicks are on the water. Summer has arrived in our corner of England. Our corner of England is a tiny part of the UK's national forest. It was once an open cast coal mine, but now it's being regenerated. Woodland has been planted, lakes dug, nature is returning. Now is the most rewarding time to spend a night in the woods. The ground is dry and tinder lights easily. As we approach summer solstice, the evening glow lingers until late, and the hours of darkness are warm. As the light fades, my vision decreases, but the sounds of the night are amplified. From my camp, I can hear scuffling and scratching. My remote camera records the badgers that are just a few yards from where I sit. They know we're here. Foxes and muntjac deer move through the thicket, cautious of our scent and the crackle of the fire. I think I am being unobtrusive, but the whole wood is on alert. And dawn comes all too soon. These early summer mornings are rich with birdsong, but there is a sadness in the air. There are singers missing from the chorus. There are no yellowhammers anymore. We remembered their song by the rhyme, a little bit of bread and no cheese. But the next generation will have no need to remember that. And no turtle doves. Their steady, gentle cooing gave the hedges and thickets a sound like paradise. But that was 50 years ago. Lapwings, we call them peewits because of their calls, are almost gone hereabouts, and the curlews don't come anymore. Nor does the corn bunting and corncrake, and only once this year have I heard a cuckoo. Outside of this tiny place there are many vast prairie fields, almost silent of birds, abandoned by hares and rarely hunted over by owls. Fields as quiet and motionless as the grave. And little places like this aren't much of a haven for all the displaced fauna and flora. It's not a nostalgic longing for the return of the ploughman and his horses, or to hear the chug of a steam threshing machine, or ride a laden hay wain sweet with meadow grass. The past was rarely as rosy as we imagine. It's a fact, the land is a factory and we all need it to keep producing its goods. But for all we have gained, we have lost much, and oh, how I miss it. But it's so easy to bemoan what we've lost, when we still have much to enjoy. This place, and others like it, act as little reservoirs for wildlife and for hope. And it's good just to come here and watch summer unfold, to lie in the grass or stand for a while beneath our big oak. What is this life if full of care we have no time to stand and stare? No time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows. No time to see when woods we pass where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. No time to see in broad daylight streams full of stars like skies at night. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet, how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. A poor life this, if full of care, we have no time to stand and stare.